Hi, I'm Pamela Eddy. I'm the editor-in-chief of New Directions for Community Colleges, and I'm filming this short video to talk with you about how, as an author, you too could do a video to promote the work that you have written for New Directions. As a recent author myself within the volume, what I did is film a short video on the topic that I had just written on. As I was starting to prepare for this, I had to be thinking of what are the really 3 or 4 main points that I want to get across as I'm going to do this short video to try to entice some people to read the chapter that I wrote. Going through and looking at some of your headings can be one way to do that, to be able to pull out from your chapter. These are 3 main organizing ways that I looked at. It's very critical in this video to also talk about how's anyone going to use this in practice? What do we need to be thinking about? What are some tricks? And what you may find is that you had so many details in here that you really can't cover anything. Pick one of them to be able to highlight. You know, as a practitioner, you might try using this in your next day on the job. Here's something that we'd be able to do. And really at the end, always encouraging the listener to whatever video you record to actually go back and read the chapter and to investigate further to get more information. It feels sometimes a little difficult to say I'm in the spotlight. I'm normally working on my computer typing away in isolation, and really thinking of it instead of how do I entice someone to be as excited about my topic as I was when I was writing the chapter. We'll have lots of support. You'll see more information on tips that you can think about as you're doing your own recording, and we'll work with you as you work to place this up on the Wiley site. Thanks very much.